Hi everyone! Today we're going to draw a smiling sun and buddies. So grab your drawing tools, find a comfy spot, and let's start drawing. First, draw a fluffy cloud, the first one. Next, draw another cloud right beside it. Then, draw a big circle behind the clouds. Don't forget to give your sun a big, happy smile. Give the two clouds cute little faces too. Now your sketch is ready and you can start coloring. Start by coloring the first cloud light blue. Use a darker blue for the second cloud. Color the sun's cheeks with a soft orange. Then, color the rest of the sun yellow. Finally, draw straight yellow lines around the sun to make rays. All done! Easy, right? Try drawing it again and use different colors for the clouds. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time!